Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make money online for 100% free. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I put out a new video, which is every single day. So make sure that you do that. And now let's dive right into the video and how you can actually make money online for free. So the very first thing is you need to create some traffic, because if you don't have any traffic, no matter what business you're in, it won't work. So for instance, if you have a business that's like down the street, you have a shop, then you make sure that it's on the right street, because otherwise nobody will know about your shop. Now online it's exactly the same thing. So how do you create traffic? There are a ton of different ways, because you can create like a million different ways, but I believe that YouTube is the best traffic, because we're talking about free right there. So if you want to do YouTube traffic, this is the best way to do it in my opinion, because YouTube is very slow at the beginning, but then it really grows exponentially. So when you get to, like, I've seen so many people get to like having so much trouble growing from 0 to 100, and then it started growing a bit faster to 1,000, and then it just explodes. So YouTube traffic, in my opinion, is the best free traffic, because if you create a blog, it's going to be all the time hard labor to like get it, and blogging is a very good way. Like there are a ton of people making some money with that, but it's it's a lot harder to grow than having a YouTube channel. The other way is to have paid ads, but since in this video we're talking about making money online for free, then it's probably not the best way. So what you do with your YouTube traffic is you're going to create some videos about some topic that you actually enjoy. Maybe you have a dog that you love and you just like love teaching him tricks. Maybe you have a cat and you do the same thing. Maybe you love cooking. Maybe you love repairing cars. Maybe you love anything, like you know how to do something. And what you're going to do with your YouTube videos is actually teach people to do the same. So maybe teaching like how to train a dog to do X tricks, or like follow you around and just do stupid things like that. Or I'm not saying that's stupid, by the way, like all dogs need to be educated, but you get the idea. So you teach people how to do something that you know. So what you're going to do is you're going to constantly post YouTube videos like that. And you're going to post some links in the description, because you might need maybe a leash to do a certain trick with your dog. So you're going to post that link in the description. Maybe you're talking about cameras, and like just post the cameras that you use and tell people that that's in the description, that you can actually do that. So once you do that and you start growing your audience, some people will click on the link in the description and you will make money, because you have to keep in mind that this is an affiliate link, obviously. So if you're unsure what an affiliate link is, that is when you go to any company pretty much, especially online, and they always have an affiliate program. So if you sign up to that program, usually free, then like when it's not free, it's something that you actually have to use. And you get a commission as soon as somebody clicks on your link and buys something. So you just have to constantly post YouTube traffic and make some money. Now this is going to get you to a certain point. It's not going to get you $1 million a month or anything like that, or even 10,000 unless you have like a huge audience, but it's going to make you a bit of money. So you don't want to stop there, and you don't want to spend that money on buying shoes or whatever. You just want to keep that money. As soon as you're starting to make $50 a month, that is what you need to make. It's not a lot of money. Depending on what you're selling, it's not very much at all. So as soon as you get 50 bucks a month, what you're going to do is you're going to build a sales funnel. So if you want to know how to build a sales funnel for 50 bucks a month, and by the way, you can absolutely get it for free, then you click on the link in the description on my #1 recommendation, and that will explain everything that you need to know. So if you do have 50 bucks a month already, just like skip everything that I just said and just build your YouTube and build a sales funnel. So a sales funnel is something that if you click in the link in the description, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But you get people to click on the link, they enter the email, and they get to a video of you explaining exactly why that product is so good. And like if you click on that, just even if you don't want to buy anything from me, just click on that and you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. And then you'll have a link where you actually sell people. And most people will not buy the first time round. So you just, since now you have their email, you're going to send out automatic emails and people will actually get to know you more, and you will be able to promote it over and over again, and that's how you're going to make some sales. And that's how some people are making like 10,000 bucks a month and like 100,000 and all these things. And what's great about products is there's two ways to actually make some real good money. One, you send a high ticket product, and that can be a product that's worth 1,000 bucks, so you sell one and you make a lot of money. The second way is to have recurring offers, and that's my favorite one, because recurring offers is something that people are going to pay over and over again. So it's not going to be as much money as the like big sales one where you make 1,000 bucks, but it's going to be easier to sell, and you're going to be able to make it like month after month. And you're just going to be able to pile it up. So the first person will pay you 50 bucks and then maybe 10. It doesn't really matter, but then you sell somebody else and then they'll make some more and you'll make some more and more and more, as much as you're selling to other people. So that is how you put in as much effort every month. You sell as many products as you always have, but you're making more and more money. So that, I believe, is the best way to affiliate marketing. So if you do that, make sure that you just follow these tips. This is what you have to do. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, because you'll be notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.